Hi everyone, Sherry here. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the LoveCasa 16-piece dinnerware set. So let's see what's inside. Alright, so I had to stand up because I'm short and the box is tall. Alright, so it is packaged very well. It had a cardboard piece on the top, and there are cardboard pieces all the way around. It looks like each piece is individually packaged. Let's see if they're all intact. I'll get these out of the box and I'll be right back. Before I open these, I want to show you that this was damaged in transit. So we'll open them up and see how well they fared. All right, so let's see what's in the first box. Oh, these are so pretty. Now this is a multicolor set, so you can mix and match. We have a black, we have a blue, we have a yellow, and we have a red. These mugs are 12 ounces, so it will hold a lot of coffee or hot chocolate or whatever you want to put inside them. Very well packaged, and they have the protective cardboard in between. These are sturdy. They are scratch resistant. They retain heat. You can put them in the microwave. You can put them in the dishwasher. And you can put them in the refrigerator. Again, each piece will be of 4 different colors. These are cereal bowls or soup bowls. They are 6 inches and they are 22-ounce capacity. That will hold quite a bit of cereal or soup. So we have our blue, we have our black, we have our yellow, and we have our red. What I really like about this mix and match is if you have 4 kids or 2 kids and 2 adults, you can each have your own color of bowl. On to the next box. They are packed in here really, really tight, so they're not going to move around to break in transit. So next we have a dessert plate or salad plate. And this is 8.5 inches. Perfect for the big piece of pie or your salad. Or if you have small kids, then this can be their dinner plate. They don't need a big dinner plate because they don't eat as much. So we have the yellow, we have the blue, and here we have the dinner plate. And the dinner plate is 10.4 inches, a good size for a healthy portion. And again, we have the blue and we have the yellow. And these are really, really sturdy that even kids can use them. The last box, LoveCasa has very high quality ceramics. I have a baking dish that I got that is made by them, and I absolutely love it. I'll enclose that link down below. I did an unboxing of that, and I made apple crisp. So here is the dinner plate in black, the dinner plate in red. They stack really nice. Here is the dinner plate in red, and here is the dinner plate in black. And I love these colors. My car is black, trimmed in yellow. So for breakfast, I can have a yellow cup. My husband can have a black cup. I can have a black bowl. He can have a yellow bowl. I can have a yellow dessert plate. He can have a black dessert plate. I can have a black dinner plate. And he can have a yellow dinner plate. Doesn't that look cute? You can do different combinations. You can have, you know, a red cup, a blue bowl, a black dessert dish, and a yellow dinner plate. Mix and match, or just keep them all in one color so each individual has their own color. It will make your meals fun. Before I use these, I'll throw them in the dishwasher to see how they fare in the dishwasher and see if it withstands the heat of the water. And tomorrow, I'll be making breakfast. I'll throw the bowl in the microwave with oatmeal and see how well it withstands the microwave heat as well. So there you have it, the LoveCasa 16-piece mix and match dinnerware set. I'll see you tomorrow for breakfast. I always wash my new dishes when I first get them. I threw them in a light wash in the dishwasher, and they fared really, really well. Not only are these bowls good for soup or salad or oatmeal, you can also mix up your eggs for scrambled eggs in them. And since these bowls are scratch resistant, you don't have to worry about using it to mix up these eggs. All right, so the oatmeal is done. We'll take it out of the microwave, and it turned out really, really well. The bowl is perfect, and I'll set up the breakfast for Dave. So here is a breakfast fit for a king on the LoveCasa dinnerware set. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.